Hello, this is Chastity. This morning we're gonna go for a small little walk towards the end of the street and check out the other streets. Yes, it is snowing, but it's mostly sleeting than anything else. But please follow me and thank you. As you could see, it's really snowing. This is the second day that it's been snowing, and did my car. My greenback turtle was hibernating. That's what I call my car. But let's go for a walk down the street. As you could see, everything is beautifully and right. I went to the grocery store 2 times, stocked up on little food that we have. What little money we have. So we're just gonna go down the street and see what's going on. And I do recommend if you haven't been wanting the water, please warn the water. You're saying, how come I don't have a coat on? It's because when you're waking up, you really don't feel the temperatures. You feel a little bit, but not all the way. If you only did this on Christmas, then we would have had a right Christmas. But it does not want to snow on Christmas. It always wants to wait till January or February, sometimes March. I say they were taking down the Christmas decorations. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's almost towards the end of the month. I'm sure that everybody's closed right now, so they're not opening up. This is something I'm going to do for the first time. This is a busy intersections, but since it's snowing, it's like Legend of Sleepy Hollow over here. This is one major intersection here. Then the cars come over here to get into that other lane. It's a turnaround lane, I'll call it. And this is the other one, the other lane. I mean, intersection. And as you can see, looks like a train down there is on the tracks. So this is the corner of Oaklawn John in South Parkway East. And yes, we're in Memphis, Tennessee. And there's a car braving the snow. The first car that I saw. That's the first car that I saw today. I mean this morning. And all the way down here, don't know if you can see it or not, but there's, no, we can't really see it because of the ice. That's a train going by, and we are going to head home. I mean, I'll be heading home right now, so. This is Parkway Vista, or Vista, how you pronounce it. That's actually a nice house. I see some birds flying, which is actually pretty cool. I just hope everybody brought the little ones inside. You know, really can't tell where my footsteps has been and where at. And you could hear the train in the background. It's very relaxing this morning. My fingers are getting numb now, and I actually feel the cold. Like I said, when you first waking up, you kind of immune to the coldness. I got a magnolia tree in front of the house, but yeah, last year wasn't the year for magnolia flowers. But anyway, this is where our journey's going to end when we get back inside the house. Well, I just want to share with y'all about this little snowstorm, the blizzard that we've been having. So I just want to say God bless and I love y'all and take care now. Bye bye for now.